Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating a shallow pan with 1 tablespoon butter or oil and toasting garlic. This builds flavor and helps sauce emulsify. Meanwhile, cook pasta to just shy of al dente so it finishes in the sauce. Once you drain, reserve 1 cup of starchy pasta water. That water is your thickener. Make sure your chosen liquid, milk, cream, or broth, is warmed. Adding cold liquid shocks the emulsion and makes it separate. Now you add the pasta into the pan with the warmed liquid and fat. This direct contact lets starch bind the sauce. Toss continuously and add reserved water in small increments. This controls thickness and preserves a creamy mouthfeel. Once the pasta releases starch, the emulsion forms. Make sure to scrape the pan so browned bits redistribute flavor. If using cheese, add it off heat to avoid graininess, then return briefly to marry textures. Finish by stirring in cold butter or a small splash of cream to gloss the sauce. This enriches and stabilizes the emulsion. Taste and adjust with salt and a little acid like lemon or vinegar to brighten flavors. Once done, plate and top with fresh herbs or cracked pepper. If the sauce breaks or becomes too thin, don't panic. Whisk in a tablespoon or 2 of hot reserved pasta water or another cold pat of butter off heat to re-emulsify and rescue creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.